Look, I see Peter.
Yep. What's on that page?
It's Spider-Man. It's gonna be Tony. First.
Okay, let's see the pictures.
We are.
What's that picture saying?
It says Peter's in that. He's in that story.
Oh, is he at school?
Yeah, he's at school. He goes to school.
Okay. And then he goes home?
Ooh, he has a suit.
Yeah.
He calls those Spider-Man.
Good job.
And this is Peter. Tom. Peter Tom, Peter Tom. Peter Tom, Peter Tom.
Ooh. He's got a super secret.
There's Spider-Man here. This is Spider-Man.
What's Spider-Man doing now?
He's tired. See?
Oh, yeah.
And
So,
he goes to bed and get ready for school.
oh. Good job.
Wow, I see Iron Man.
Well, let's finish Spider-Man first.
We did.
Is it over?
Yeah, he's over. Whoops, I see more.
Oh, okay. Let's see what else. Are those kids at school?
They're at school. See?
Mm-hmm.
Whoops, I see those people. There's new Iron Mans. And this is Tony. Tony Tom. Whoops. Just two.
Mm-hmm. And that's Peter, isn't it?
Yeah. Whoops. Oh, there's Spider-Man. Can I read Iron Man?
Yeah.